guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa, and this week I've been going to the gym a lot for another video that I'm also making for this channel. You'll see it maybe next week, we'll see, but I've been going to the gym every day, and when I go to the gym I sweat like a pig. So my hair, of course, no matter what I do to it, so it's always gonna be wet after the gym. I usually do a lot of cardio. I'm going to dancing classes, and I sweat a lot. There's nothing to do. So before I joined or I started this curly hair journey, I used to wash my hair every day in the gym, and it's because I hated when it was like sticky, and I hated like it was sweaty, and I just like to feel clean and fresh. But I was really damaging my hair really bad because, of course, shampoo as it is so bad, and I was doing it every day. Even if it's no sulfate shampoo, it's still stripping a lot of oils and a lot of good things from your hair. So Amika sent me this it's called Nice Cream, which reminds me to ice cream. But I actually have used Amika products before, and I really like them. So they sent me this Nice Cream cleansing conditioner. Now I had a co-wash, and I was like, what's the difference? Well, cleansing conditioner is even better because co-wash is really just washing your hair with conditioner, and cleansing conditioner actually has the properties to cleanse your hair. You're not just, the whole movement of your fingers is the one that actually cleans the hair, but again, if you're using a co-wash, you might as well just wash your hair with any conditioner. So I was so excited to try it, and this is what I'm using now every time that I'm going to the gym, and like my hair is just like, oh my god. And I'm trying to wash my hair with sulfate free shampoo at least every once a week. And if I'm going to the gym all week, then I'll just let my hair sweat out for 3 days, and then I'll just wash it with the cleansing conditioner, and then I'll just wash it every weekend with the shampoo. So it's actually great, especially for the winter, that you're not supposed to wash your hair with shampoo so much because it strips really and it dehydrates. Dehydrates is the word? I'm not sure. But yeah, very gross. I'm so sorry if this video is like rushing in any means, but I thought I had more time. I'm going to a concert, the Jonas Brothers concert, which I've always wanted to go since I was 15. I'm going to be 26 next week. I've always wanted to go since I was 15, and this is my day, and I'm super late. So that's it. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Love ya. Hey guys, I just came from the gym, and my hair is a spicy mess. Oh, that feels so nice, just taking out the ponytail. Massaging it a little bit. Use this baby. I love it. Mwah. And first things first, obviously, is just get your hair wet, pretty much. And then taking this bad boy, I'm going to apply it to my roots and massage it with the fingertips as much as you can. Just honestly, it feels amazing, so why not? Yeah, just massage it to take all my dirt and my impurities out. A little bit more for the rest of my hair. Honestly, like right now that I'm doing this voiceover, I really do realize how much I need to invest in a full support bikini top. Unfortunately, that will have to wait until summer. But yeah, excuse me for that. Oh, it always feels so nice. Okay, I'm gonna detangle it now with my Tangle Teaser. I love this brush. It's honestly like makes the shower and the washing my hair process so much faster and easier and painless. And I do feel like I lose less hair with it. You're gonna see in a second the amount of hair that I lost after 3-4 days of dancing like a crazy woman. There you go. Now I'm just gonna wash it off. Honestly, this is like my fastest and easiest just wash and go routine when I'm like working out and I just need something quick. Hey guys, so this is the final result. I mean, it's still like 5% wet yet, like maybe here in the tips. I tried diffusing. I have to go to the Jonas Brothers concert, so I am gonna go. Bye. Hope you liked the video. Please click on the subscribe button below and give it a thumbs up. Love you. See you next time.